I never knew Banyuwangi could be this beautiful. People call it the sunrise of Java, but it's more than just a sunrise. There is nature, culture, kind people, and something about it just feels different. We start our journey from Bali, drove around 3 hours to the port in Gilimanuk, and then took the ferry across to Java.
We just drove from Denpasar to Gilimanuk and now we are on the ferry heading to Banyuwangi, and it will take around an hour. This ferry is seriously cheap. It's less than $1 or $3 if you bring a bike, and I'll show you around what you get on that price.
We were lucky. We got a really nice ferry. It had comfy seats, air conditioning, a snack shop, a charging station, friendly staff, even a small stage and TV. And if you're tired, there is even a bed you can use.
So yeah, that's what you get for around $3 of ferry. Not really bad, it's really good actually.
But take note, you can choose which ferry you'll get. Sometimes you get a good one, sometimes you're just not lucky.
Let's go back to the car.
We didn't have time to waste, so we went straight to the hotel just to clean up and change clothes. Then got back on the road.
Hi! We're finally arrived in Banyuwangi. I already changed my clothes. I'm gonna show you the hotel later. But now I'm in a monkey pot forest that over 100 years old. And many people say it looks like the Lord of the Rings scene. And as you can see, it looks magical. So let's check out the spot.
This is Djawatan, a magical monkey pot forest, hundreds, maybe even thousands of years old. It honestly feels like you're walking through a fairy tale. The trees are massive, the leafy tops that never touch each other, a natural phenomenon called crown shyness. And there we were, in a wooden carriage, exploring the forest.
It's lunchtime!
We stopped at a restaurant next to the rice field. The food was simple, local, and fresh. But what I really loved was this little traditional snack called kue cucu, a soft, chewy snack made with palm sugar.
Welcome to the room. This is my bed. We get a double bed, TV, and there is the toilet. And here is the balcony, so you can relax and chill right here, just enjoying the green field and the ocean view right there. It's actually really simple, but this covers everything I need. It's really comfy and complete.
That night, I didn't do much. I had to recharge for what was coming next.